What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Today, Friday, short run, heading to the Smalley Hole. Maybe, because we stopped here under the bridge, and I've already seen from up top that there's some pretty good fish swimming around. So we're starting off with the inline spinner here, the Dangle Lure. And we got our medium setup, our medium rod, and our 2000 series reel, ready to find some big fish today, hopefully. But we're gonna go in here, we're gonna start with this, may switch over to some other stuff, maybe some top water, who knows, maybe they're ready for it. But we're gonna start here, head on to the Smalley Hole, see what all we can catch today. So hold on tight, let's go get on the reel, watch out for the airplanes, and try to catch some fish. Water's super low. There we go, first fish already. I saw a couple up there on the bridge. I know the airplane is killing us right now, but it's coming across this bridge up above me here. Already had seen a couple down here. First smallmouth already on the Dangle Lures. Oh, he's wiry. Simmer down, buddy. All right, got it free. There's a couple of fish down here. We're gonna see how hungry they are today. All right, not close to the water, so we're going to give you a little toss, buddy. Whee! All right, first one down. Let's see if we get another one of those ones that are over there on the bottom side. There's a good size one over there too, so we'll see what happens. Cast number 2 here. Nothing on that one. Another one? Yes, sir. Fish number 2. Oh man, we got that cold front coming in. I'm pretty sure there'll be fish all over the place. I'm hoping for it. What is this? Oh wow, we got a hungry little rock bass here on the Dangle Lure. Oh, just trying to get it going. There we go, another little rock bass there. Fish number 2 already on the morning. Hadn't even been here for maybe 10 minutes yet. Third cast, 2 fish. Let's go. Get close to the rocks. Oh God, oh, I saw him come up and get it. He came up and got it. I think that was the decent sized one too. I don't know if you guys, hopefully that you guys got a chance to see that as well. That was pretty awesome. All right, one more cast here. We'll move on to the Smalley Hole. This is almost low enough to isolate this spot. Well, we got water trickling in here. We got water going out over yonder. So I'm basically just going to throw straight out. Try to hit that ledge. You can't really see it. There's a little drop off here to the left. Oh, well, that doesn't do it. I can do that really well though. That is not the right direction. We'll see. May need to come from the other direction. Well, of course, well, it's a big old leaf, but something whacked it. I'm in the tree. There we go. Now we're not in the tree anymore. Oh, do we have one? I think I got a little bitty fish over there. Probably a rock bass. Nope, it's a bass. It's a smallie. See, Smalley Hole produces another itty bitty smallmouth bass over there, way in the shallow. I think he was smaller than the one we got the other day. Sweet. All right, you go back that way. All right, I think we're going to switch it up to a little bit slower. We've got the Dangle Lures here I'll have a little link down in the comments. I'll have a link down in the description if you want to check out Dangle Lures. Also, I have a code here. It's going to pop up right here at the bottom. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And if you want to use that code there, you save some money on your order. But we're going to switch this out, go a little slower. Probably go with the Hellgrammites because, you know, it does the business. Hold on tight. We're going to switch up. See you in a second. Switch over to the little Hellgrammites that I use. These are case plastics Hellgrammites. You can find them in some different places online. They're not a typical find. They look just like Uncle Buck's from Bass Pro. You get them in a bunch of different colors, different shapes. But we're going to use this. I got the lighter jig head on here. I may have to do a bigger jig head because I forgot I had the medium rod on. But let me just toss out here and try. See what happens. Alrighty, well, kind of want to take the Hellgrammite off and put a crick hopper on there, but I don't want to have to take it off and put it back on and take it off and put it back on because we don't have a ton of time. What time we got? That might be my key right there. As much as I want to go back the other way, we need to start heading back towards our exit and see if we can get it out of the way. This one just isn't dark enough. Let's see if we can switch it up for a darker one. That's a silly thought process, but works, it works, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Much darker one here. There we go. Whee! Got off. But still, found one up there. There we go. There we go. I think we finally got him. I want to keep him down, keep him tight. Oh, we got a good one though. Don't know if it's him or not, but we did get a good one. There we go. Nice smallmouth. He's going to be dirty when I get him up, but we'll clean him off if he'll let me. All right. Nice little smallmouth. Getting worried there. I haven't caught one in a good minute. Maybe the one that got off a few seconds ago, but alrighty, there we go. Another nice little smallmouth on the day. Oh, good thing that gives us 4 fish total. Get myself out of this plant over here. Alright, finally. Do a quick time check here. Alright, we got 15 minutes. See if we can get one more. Give us 5 for today. We got 3 smallmouth, 1 rock bass. Let's see what we can get. We get one? Oh yeah, we got another fishy. Got another fishy. Got another fishy. All right, little bitty rock bass. Bring my Hellgramite back. Little bitty rock bass over there behind the rocks. There we go. So I come up and get it. What we get? Oh, looks like a nice dark rock bass. Super dark rock bass. Nice. Very cool. Sweet. I was hoping this would come up. There you go. See you, friend. There we go. Got another fish over there. So it looks like another rock bass. Next cast. Another nice little rock bass. A little bit further away from the spill. But there you go. Alright, cast number 3. 3 for 3. Let's go. Oh, it's getting nibbles. There we go. 3 for 3. Another rock bass. Told you guys, you watched the last video. This little Hellgrammite gets the work done. Hey. Oh, well. Go on. Go on now. There you go. No 4 for 4 though. There we go, another fish. What do we get? Still on the rock bass? Looks like yes. That rock bass didn't know what was going on. So we definitely got some good rock bass going on. There we go. Got another one back there. Another rock bass. Hoping to stumble upon a smallmouth before we gotta go. These rock bass are hungry for some Hellgrammites. A little bitty guy. All right, realists, we gotta wind it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Chilling out here in the creek. Caught a couple smallmouth, mostly rock bass. Ended up with the Hellgrammite once again. Doing the creek champion as usual. Check out the last video if you haven't yet, as I use these guys and we catch a ton of rock bass. So hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. Hopefully you guys can get on the reel real soon.